So my problem is I want to play the multiplayer or the campaign. If I go here on the campaign, it's standing, the shop is not available. I don't know. There's also standing installation stopped at the multiplayer, at the campaign. There's something missing. The data package is missing and I can't start anything. Also this shop is not available. Multiplayer, the same. But if I go into the PlayStation Store, so Digimon Warfare. Here standing install, but if I click this install, it's starting something. 2 downloads. I install both the Special Ops package and Survival package, but after it's installed it still won't start. And if I go again into the PlayStation Store, this stands again install, and again those 2 downloads start, Special Ops and Survival package, and I can't play multiplayer, I can't play the campaign. Yes.